Hello students, welcome back. In the previous video I discussed what is redox reaction, what is oxidizing agent, what is reducing agent, how to assign the oxidation number for different elements. Using that rules, now we will try to calculate the oxidation number of a given element. Say, how the question is there? What is the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid? What is the oxidation number of sulfuric acid? This is the one type of question. Or what is the oxidation number of underlying atom in Na2S2O3? They underline for a sulfur. So it is a question category. So what you have to do? See, if they have given the formula, write down the formula as such. If they have given in the sentence, first write down the formula of the compound. Write the formula of the compound. I'll take this example. Example 1, I'll take sulfuric acid. So formula you know, H2SO4. Now, after writing, what you do is, using the rules what I gave in the previous video, assign the oxidation number for known element. So, sulfuric acid, hydrogen is +1 because it is with a non-metal. Oxygen is -2 because not a peroxide, nor a superoxide, nor a OF2 or O2F2 compound. So -2. So assign the oxidation number which is known. Using the rules, and for the sulfur I have to calculate, write X, to which you have to calculate write X. So I wrote X, H2SO4 +1 for each hydrogen, X for sulfur, -2 for each oxygen. Now third, get the sum of oxidation number and equate equal to 0 if molecule and equate equal to charge on ion if ion. You see, it's a molecule. So 1 into 2, I am getting the sum for this, plus X plus -2 into 4 equal to 0 I have to do because a molecule. Next, get the value of X. X I am going to get as 6. Just here. 2 minus 8 is -6. So I am getting x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 6. This how to calculate the oxidation numbers. Oxidation number of sulfur in Na2S2O3. So apply Na2S2O3. This underline one. What is your calculation? So sodium alkali metal plus 1. For the sulfur you have to calculate X. Oxygen minus 2. So 1 into 2 plus X into 2 because there are 2 sulfur plus minus 2 into 3 because 3 oxygen is equal to 0 because same molecule. So 2 plus 2X minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? 2, 6. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So 2x minus 4 equal to 0 or x equal to 2. What is the oxidation number of phosphorus in PO4 3 minus? So write that PO4 3 minus. X for phosphorus because I have to calculate. Oxygen is minus 2. So X plus minus 2 into 4 is equal to not 0 equal to minus 3. X minus 8 is equal to minus 3. X equal to 5. Phosphorus is in the plus 5 state. Next one, fourth one. What is the oxidation state of hydrogen in NaH? So NaH for the hydrogen you have to calculate X. Sodium is plus 1 because alkali metal. So 1 plus X equal to 0, X equal to minus 1. Iodine in ICl. So ICl X. Chlorine is minus 1 because among the iodine and chlorine is more electronegative, that it should be minus 1 only. So X minus 1 equal to 0, X equal to 1. H2O2 for the oxygen you have to calculate, you say, which is hydrogen peroxide. So plus 1 X. So 1 into 2 plus 2x equal to 0 because of molecule. 2x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1. So in the peroxide, oxygen has minus 1 state. What is the oxidation number of oxygen in OF2 compound? So here again, OF2, oxygen X, fluorine is minus 1. So X plus minus 1 into 2 equal to 0, X minus 2 equal to 0 or X equal to 2. Here oxygen is the plus 2 stage. Mn in KMnO4, KMnO4. Potassium is alkali metal plus 1. Mn, I have to calculate X. Oxygen is minus 2. So 1 plus X plus minus 2 into 4 is equal to, is a molecule, is equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to 7. Oxidation state of the Mn is plus 7 here. How to calculate the oxidation number. I will upload some other questions through PDF. You have to answer it. Now, next one is types of redox reaction. First one is combination redox reaction. So Mg plus O2 giving MgO What happens here? Magnesium is combining with this oxygen to give in the plus 0 state, oxygen also 0 state, whereas here magnesium in the plus 2, oxygen is minus 2. So 0 to 2, there is a oxidation. 0 to minus 2, there is a reduction. So it is a redox combination reaction. C solid plus O2 giving CO2 gas. Again this here, it is in the 0 state, here it is in the plus 4 state. It is in the 0 state, oxygen is in the minus 2 state. You can calculate it. So 0 to 4 increase oxidation, 0 to minus 2 decrease reduction. Again, redox combination reaction. Note it down. For redox combination reaction, at least one of the reactants should be in its elemental state. Note on this property. Redox decomposition reaction. This is the decomposition reaction. Remember, all the decomposition reactions are not redox decomposition reaction. Just here, calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide and the carbon dioxide. Calcium is plus 2, carbon is in the plus 4, oxygen in the minus 2 here. Here plus 2, minus 2, plus 4, minus 2. None of the atom here is changing its oxidation state. Calcium is plus 2 here also plus 2, no change. Carbon plus 4, here also plus 4, no change. Oxygen minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Then such type of reactions are not redox decomposition, they are decomposition reaction only. So don't say that all the decomposition reactions are redox decomposition. Now take this example. HGO gives Hg plus O2. You see, mercury is in the which state? Plus 2 state, oxygen in the minus 2 state. Here mercury is in the 0, this is 0. So what happens here? Plus 2 to the 0, reduction, minus 2 to the 0, oxidation. But mercuric oxide got decomposed. So it's a redox decomposition reaction. And note it down, at least one of the products of redox decomposition reaction should be there in elemental state. There is no question that both should be in the elemental state. At least one. Here both are in the elemental state. Minimum one should be in the elemental state. Then it is redox decomposition reaction. Next one is displacement reaction. When it says the displacement reaction, there is metal displacement redox reaction. Non-metal displacement redox reaction. Zinc is treated with the copper sulfate aqueous, gives zinc sulfate plus copper solid. See, when you take a copper sulfate in a vessel to that if the zinc is added, the copper sulfate will be converted into copper and get precipitated here. So here what happens here? See, zinc is in the zero state, copper is in the zero state, elemental state. Whereas here copper is in the plus 2 state because Cu2 plus SO4 minus. So you see 0 to 2 increase oxidation, plus 2 to the 0 decrease reduction. But during this reaction, copper, which is a metal, is displaced. That's why it is a metal displacement reaction. It is not whether the metal is used or the not metal is used. If the product metal is obtained over there, then it is metal displacement. If the non-metal is going to be displaced over there, it is a non-metal displacement reaction. Copper plus zinc sulfate. Try to write the reaction. Don't write copper sulfate plus zinc. This reaction will not happen. That's why zinc sulfate can be transported in the copper vessel but not the copper sulfate in the zinc vessel. When the zinc and the copper is there, zinc has the tendency for oxidation, copper has the tendency for reduction. When the zinc and copper is together, zinc has this tendency while the copper has this tendency. Copper sulfate is electrolyte, use Cu2 plus sulfate 2 minus. Cu2 plus will take the electron of the zinc to give copper. This electron will be taken by this. But the reverse line if we do, zinc sulfate plus copper, no reaction because zinc sulfate is an electrolyte. Use zinc 2 plus sulfate 2 minus ion. But copper does not have this tendency. When the zinc and copper is there, copper does not have this tendency. They want the electron. Therefore, they cannot provide the electron for this zinc 2 plus ion. No reaction takes place. Non-metal displacement reaction. So, zinc you treat with dilute sulfuric acid. Use zinc sulfate along with dihydrogen gas preparation. As a non-metal, hydrogen is obtained over there. It's a non-metal displacement reaction. Now what about this? Copper plus dilute sulfuric acid, no reaction will be there. So don't write this as an example, only this will be there. Why no? When the H plus and the copper 2 plus is there, hydrogen has a tendency to go for H plus and electron. Copper has a tendency for acquiring electron for reduction process. So copper cannot provide the electron for the H plus. Next one is disproportionation reaction. So H2O2 giving H2O plus O2. Here oxygen is -1 state, here -2 state, here it is 0. -1 to the -2, decrease in oxidation number, reduction. -1 to the 0, increase oxidation. Means oxidation and reduction is taking place by only one of the species, therefore it is a disproportionation reaction. If the oxidation and the reduction taking place by the only one of the species, then it is disproportionation reaction. ClO3 minus giving Cl minus plus ClO4 minus. Next one is spectator ions. Ag plus NO3 minus plus copper giving 2Ag plus NO3 minus and copper 2 plus. See, in this reactant and the product NO3 is there, but they are not involved in the redox reaction. So this ion is called as spectator ions. If you go to watch the cricket match in the ground, you cannot play in the ground, you should be the spectator only. So in the reaction also NO3 minus will be there, but it will be not involved in the redox reaction. So it is a spectator ion. Stock notation. Next concept, stock notation. See, FeSO4 is ferrous sulfate, and ferrous is Fe is in the +2 state. So writing Fe in a Roman letter 2 SO4, this is called as stock notation. Writing the formula of a compound with the oxidation state of the metal in a Roman numerals, that is called as stock notation. Sodium sulfate, what do you do? Sodium sulfate formula is Na2SO4, what I have write 1 sulfate. Roman numerals. Ferric chloride. What there? Ferric is Fe3 plus, so Cl3. Ferric chloride. Cuprous nitrate. Cuprous nitrate. Copper is in the +1 state there. NO3. Cupric nitrate, Cu2 NO3 2 times cupric nitrate. So writing the formula with the symbol and the metal oxidation state in a Roman numeral, that is the stock notation. CrO5. For the chromium, you have to calculate the oxidation number. So if you use this x plus minus 2 into 5 equal to 0, x equal to 10 we get. But chromium is not in the +10 state, because chromium can show only up to +6 state. O, 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 O. So this is CrO5. See, these are all peroxide. O linkage is called as a peroxide linkage. So for this -1, for this also -1, for this -1, for this -1, for this -2. So x plus -1 into 4 for all these 4. Then plus -2 for this equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to 6.